Our 3 tips for utilities doing the digital transformation. Tip number 1, use the data in a smart way. Use the data instead of always thinking about implementing hardware new sensors. Think about how to leverage, utilize the data you have. Tip number 1. Tip number 2, build an infrastructure which is purpose-built to handle data and integration. Build an infrastructure which is future-proof and think about integration and information management. That is your core business in the future. And tip number 3, apply a lean startup mindset. You have to think differently, you have to do projects faster. Think like a startup when you develop new services.